Hello everyone. In this video we're going to look at how we set up our Onshape student account. Onshape is the name of the program we're going to be using when we design um, our products using the computer. So you are going to need your organizer as well, because later on you will have your username and your password for Onshape. That needs to be written clearly in your organizer so that when you use computers in future lessons, all you need to do is open up your organizer and you put your login details in front of you without any dramas whatsoever. Okay then, step one, go into Google. Here's my Google screen. I'm going to type in Onshape student sign up and I'm going to press enter. Here's my search results. I know it's Onshape because it has this Onshape symbol sign. It's like a green cube. And I've got Onshape next to it, so I know that's what I want. So click on that. Okay, it'll take you to a page that looks something like this. You'll need to go up to the top right of your screen and choose the option where it says create a student account and click there. On this page, you're going to turn your attention to the white box and you need to put in some personal details. So you will need to put in your first name. You will need to put in your surname, make sure it's spelled properly. And here you'll need to put in your school email address. It's important it's your school email address. Don't put your personal email address in here. So I'm pretty confident by now you know what your school email address is. Yeah, it is the year you started, first letter of your first name, followed by your surname at penrice.org.uk. Make sure you've spelt your name right, you've got the right year you started, and you spelled Penrice correctly. And once you're happy everything's correct, click submit. Because I already have an account, I can't use my existing details. So I'm going to use a slightly different one to get to the next page. Once you're here, you're going to choose student because you're a student, and you're going to tick this box here. Click next. Okay, a few more bits of personal details. We're almost done. School name is Penrice Academy. The school website is www.penriceacademy.org.uk. Graduation year is the year that you leave school in year 11. So choose from the list what year you're going to leave school in, what year it will be when you leave school. For the purpose of this, I'm going to choose 2025. What are you using Onshape for? You're going to put school. You're going to tick that you are 13 or over. You're going to tick that you agree to the classroom instructions, and you're going to click to say you agree with the terms and conditions. Then you're going to click complete sign up. I'm not going to click complete sign up because I'm already signed up. The next page you come to, what's going to happen now, sorry, is you will get an email to your inbox. So you need to go into your school email and find that email. A couple of ways you can go into your school email, but the way I'm going to go in is I'm going to go create another tab, go into Google, search, type in Penrice Academy. I'm going to go to the Penrice Academy homepage. Up here, student, and I'm going to click on email. To log into email, it is the same details you used to log into the computer at the start of the lesson. So your username and your password that you used at the start of the lesson is what you will use to log into emails. Once you're in your emails, you need to look for an email from Onshape. Open it up and you'll have an email that looks something like this. Click on activate your account. You get an error message, press F5, which is a key on the top row along your keyboard. That will refresh the web browser. Click on activate your account again, and you should then be into Onshape. The next part of Onshape, I can't show you from here. What it will look like is it will ask you to choose your Onshape password. There is some criteria that you need to meet when you choose your password. I think, for example, it needs to be at least 2 characters long, must have an uppercase, like a capital letter, it must have a lowercase letter, and it must have a number. So think of a password that you will be able to remember. You're also now going to write the password that is accepted into your organizer. So once Onshape has accepted the password that you've chosen, and you've typed it in a second time to confirm it, and it's happy with that, you've got all green ticks. That's the password you write down in your organizer. So next time, you know your password, you know your username, and you won't have to go through this process. Once you've done that, you're going to press next or continue. It will ask you for your like business name. You're going to put Penrice Academy at that point, and you're then just going to again. There'll be a couple more tick boxes that you might need to tick off, and press continue or next. And again, I'll say that I can't show you these screens because I've already opened an account, and you only get one go opening an account. What is important though, I want to show you this. One of the last screens that you'll come to looks like, I don't want that, looks like this. It says set your default units. The only one I want you to think about is the first one. It says length default unit. You need to change that. So click on the drop down arrow, change it from inch to millimeters. And I think millimeters is like one second or third one from the bottom. So change it from inch to millimeters and then click next. Then it talks about mouse controls, click next, profile, click next, browser check, click next, and then you are done. You'll know you're finished because your Onshape web page will look something like this one that I'm going to get to. So your page will look like this. When you are here, you're done. You've got your student account, you've got your username logged down in your organizer, you've got your password written down neatly in the organizer, so you're all ready to go. What you can now do is access the next video for the learning for this lesson. Well done, and I'll see you later on. Thanks.